Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Asia Market Breakdown. Today's session has seen a mixed trading environment, with key asset classes experiencing significant price movements. Let's take a closer look at the developments. General sentiment. The overnight session began with a slight negative bias, driven by investor sentiment following the latest economic data releases from major economies. Risk appetite was dampened, as concerns over inflation and economic growth weighed on investor confidence. This sentiment is reflected in the performance of key assets, with cryptocurrencies and growth stocks taking a hit. The Bitcoin price has closed at $71,539.18, down 2.75% from the previous day. This decline is a continuation of the downward trend seen in recent sessions. We've observed a correlation between Bitcoin and traditional assets, with a decline in risk appetite translating into a downward price movement. Equities. Equity markets across the region have seen a mixed trading day. Japan's Nikkei 225 and the Australian S&P ASX 200 have closed lower, while the South Korean Kospi and the Taiwan TAIEX have posted gains. The Shanghai Composite Index has closed largely flat, reflecting the stability seen in the mainland Chinese economy. In terms of sector performance, technology stocks have been among the worst performers, with companies such as Samsung and Toshiba experiencing declines. This is in line with the broader trend of risk aversion, as investors seek safety in the wake of economic uncertainty. The market is now pricing in a reduction in the probability of a near-term rate hike by the major central banks. This change in expectations has contributed to the decline in treasury yields and the upward movement in growth stocks. Commodities/FX. Commodity prices have also seen a significant trading day, with oil prices experiencing a sharp decline. The WTI crude oil price has fallen below $70 per barrel, a level not seen in several weeks. This is largely driven by concerns over global demand, as recession fears weigh on investor sentiment. In the foreign exchange market, the yen has strengthened against major currencies, with the US dollar to Japanese yen falling below 138. This move is a reflection of the risk-off sentiment, as investors seek haven in the Japanese currency. Copper prices have also seen a sharp decline, falling below $9,000 per metric ton. This move is driven by concerns over global demand and the slowdown in industrial production. Outlook. Looking ahead, we anticipate a continuation of the risk-off sentiment, driven by investor concerns over economic growth and inflation. The decline in risk assets, including stocks and commodities, is a reflection of this sentiment. We expect the market to continue to price in a reduction in the probability of a near-term rate hike by the major central banks. This will lead to a continued downward trend in treasury yields and an upward movement in growth stocks. In conclusion, the Asia market has seen a complex and dynamic trading day, with key asset classes experiencing significant price movements. As we navigate this volatile environment, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. Monitor the institutional order flow with us. MacroStream Desk is live 24/7 on Twitch and YouTube.